In my video guide, I will provide you with detailed instructions that will help you to remove scary pop-ups that come from the site personalscan.com. Some people may suddenly see these misleading pop-ups, and very often they may display pretty frustrating information. Personalscan.com pop-ups may tell you about your computer being horribly messed up with some malware. In my particular case, the pop-up says that my computer is protected, but in many other cases, these pop-ups by personalscan.com display other faulty messages. And these alerts may be really scary. Pop-ups by personalscan.com are fake. They are not related to the well-known security program. And if you start interacting with them, you may be redirected to some other malicious websites that may promote a totally different software. So, if you see these pop-ups by personalscan.com, just disregard them, just leave this page and don't tolerate it. Now, such pop-ups may be the trace of some adware in your system, so I recommend you to carefully research your available programs, and if you find some suspicious items, get rid of them. In order to make sure that your computer is free of any other possibly hidden threats, I would recommend researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get its fresh version on the website combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and begin researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.